Dear students, good morning to everyone. Today we are going to learn about exercise 4, that is integers. Before we have to learn about multiplication of integers on the number line. Multiplication of integers on the number line. Multiplication of integers on the number line. For example, 2 into 3. For example, you take 2 into 3. 2 3s are how much, children? 6. 2 3s are how much? 6. So, this 2 3s are 6, we have to represent on the number line. First, you draw one number line. You draw one number line. 0, -1, -2. Left side -1, -2, so and so. Right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so on. So left side of 0, -1, -2. Right side of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now take 2 3s are how much, children? 6. 2 into 3 mean 2 times. What is this? 2 times 3. 2 into 3 mean what, children? 2 times 3. So we have to take on the number line 2 times 3. 2 times 3 means 2 steps of 3. That means 0 to 3, 1 step. So 3 to 6, 1 more step. See, children, 0 to 3, 1 time, and 3 to 6, 2 times. So 2 into 3 mean 2 times 3. 2 times 3. That means 0 to 3, 1 time, and 3 to 6, 1 more time. So this is plus 3. Here plus 3. So 3 plus 3, how much, children? 2 3 is 6. This is the represent on the number. One more example. 3 4 jar. 3 4 jar how much, children? 6. This 6 3 4 jar, sorry, 3 4 jar 12. So this is the represent on the number line. 0, -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so on. Now take 3 into 4. 3 into 4 means, children, tell me, 3 times 4. What is this, children? 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 4. That means we have to take 4 how many times, children? 3 times. So 0 to 4, 1 time, 4 to 8, 1 more time, and 8 to 12, 1 more time. See, children, 0 to 4, 1 time, and 4 to 8, 1 more time, and 8 to 12, 1 more time. So how many times? 1, 2, 3. This is the 4, here 4, here 4. So 4 plus 4, how much, children? 8. So 8 plus 4, how much, children? 12. So 3 into 4 mean 3 times 4. 3 times 4. Now it is the represent on the number line. So you draw one number line. So left side of 0 have to take negative number, and right side of 0 have to take positive numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 3 into 4 means 3 times 4. So 0 to 4, 1 step. 4 to 8, second step. And 8 to 12, third step. So 3 times. 3 times means 3 steps. So 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Clear, children? Now we are going to learn exercise 1.4. exercise 4. First problem. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. In this first one, minus 100 into minus 6 equal to dash. Second one, minus 3 into dash equal to 3. Third one, 100 into minus 6 equal to dash. And the fourth problem, minus 20 into minus 10 equal to dash. And fifth problem, 15 into minus 3 equal to dash. See children, now in exercise 4, first bit, fill in the blanks. In that first problem, minus 100 into minus 6 equal to dash. And the second one, minus 3 into dash equal to 3. 100 into minus 6 equal to dash. And the fourth one, minus 20 into minus 10 equal to dash. And the fifth problem, 15 into minus 3 equal to dash. See children, so here minus 100, this is the negative number, into minus 6, this is also negative number. Already I said to you, the product of two negative numbers is always positive number. So here minus into minus plus. Now 100 into 6. 106 are how much children? 600. 106 are how much? 600. 106 are 600. So minus 100 into minus 6 equal to how much children? Plus 600. Now take second problem. Minus 3 into dash equal to how much children? 3. Once see children, left side minus 3 into dash, here missing the one number, equal to 3. On right side 3 given. So once observe here, 3 is the positive number. So minus here you keep minus. Why? Because the product of negative into negative is always positive. Here plus given. That's why we keep in left side, LHS side minus. So 3 1 jar. How much children? 3 1 jar. So minus into minus plus 3 1 jar. How much children? 3. That's why minus 3 into minus 1 equal to 3. So this missing number is value how much children? Minus 1. Now coming to take a third problem. Here 100 into minus 6 equal to dash. So 100 equal to positive number, 6 minus 6 is the negative number. So positive into negative. So the product of positive number and negative number is always negative. That's why here minus. Now 100 into 6. 100 6 are how much children? Here 100 6 are 600. So here also 100 into 6 how much children? 600. That's why 100 into minus 6 is equal to how much children? Minus 600. Now coming to take fourth problem. Minus 20 into minus 10. Minus 20 into minus 10. So negative number into negative number. The product of two negative numbers always positive. So 20 into 10. 20 10 are how much children? 200. How much children? 200. So 20 10 are how much? 200. Now fifth problem. So this is the 15. 15 means what? Positive number. Minus 3 negative number. So positive into negative. What is the children? Negative. So 15 3 are 15 1 are 15. 15 2 are 30. 15 3 are 45. So 15 3 are how much children? Minus 45. Minus 45. Next, second problem. Clear children this? Now second bit. Find each of the following. This is the second way. Find each of the following. Find each of the following products. First one problem. 3 into minus 1. Second one, minus 1 into 225. Third problem, minus 21 into minus 30. Fourth problem, minus 316 into minus 1. Fifth problem, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Sixth problem, minus 12 into minus 11 into minus less than. See children. First problem 3 into minus 1. The second problem minus 1 into 225. Third problem minus 21 into minus 30. Fourth problem minus 316 into minus 1. Fifth problem minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. Sixth problem minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Minus 11 into 10. So take first problem. Here, take first problem. What is that? 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1. See children? So 3 is the positive, minus 1 is the negative. So plus into minus, minus. Plus into minus how much children? Minus. 3 1 jar 3. 3 1 jar how much children? 3. So 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Next take second problem. What is this? Minus 1 into 225. Minus 1 into 225. So here minus 225 is the positive. So minus into plus minus. So 1 into 225 minus 225. See children here minus 1 into 225. So minus plus minus 1 into 225. Answer of minus 225. Next coming to take third problem. What is this? Minus 21 into minus 30. Minus 21 into minus 30. So negative number. So positive. So negative into negative, positive. Now 21 into 30. 21 30. So here 21 30. Do multiplication. 0 1 jar 0. 0 1 jar how much children? 0. 0 2 jar 0. Leave one space digit. Now take 3. 3 1 jar 3. 3 2 jar how much children? 6. 3 1 jar 3. 3 2 jar 6. Now addition. 0 0 plus 3 3 6. Total how much children? 21 into 30. What is the answer? 630. 630. So this answer 630. So minus 21 into minus 30 is answer 630. 630. Now take fourth problem. Now take fourth problem children. Minus 316 into minus 1. See children, minus 316 into minus 1. Negative number into negative number. So minus into minus plus 316 into 1. 316 1 jar how much children? 316. 360. Now fifth problem. What is the fifth one? Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. See children here. Minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. See children. Negative. This is the either positive or negative. So minus 15 into 0. How much children? See, observe here. It is very important. Very careful here. Minus 15 into 0. 0. Anything into 0, that value is equal to 0. So minus 15 into 0. 0 into, here how much given? Minus 18. Again 0 into minus 18. 0 into minus 18. 0 into anything, it is equal to 0. It is equal to 0. So minus 15 into 0. 0 into what is the remaining number? Minus 18. Now 0 into minus 18. What is the answer? 0. So that's why finally minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. That value is equal to how much children? 0. Next one. Sixth problem. Sixth one. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Into 10. See children. Minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. See children. Here 3 numbers are given. How many numbers are given? 3 numbers. So in this, 2 numbers, first 2 numbers are negative numbers and the third one is positive number. So the product of these 2 negative numbers are always positive. So that's why it plus. Now 12 into 11. 12 11 are how much children? Here 12 into 11. 1 2 jar 2. 1 2 jar, sorry, 1 2 jar 2, 1 1 jar 1. See children, 1 2 jar 2, 1 1 jar 1. Leave 1's place. 1 2 jar 2, 1 1 jar 1. So 2, here addition children, here addition. 0, sorry, 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, here 1. So 2 plus 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, down 1. So this total value is 132. So minus 12 into minus 11 value how much children? Plus 132 into what is the remaining number here? 10. What is the remaining number? 10. Now plus 132 into 10. What is the children? Plus into plus. So 132 into 10. 1320. So 132 into 10 how much children? 1320. So this is the sixth problem. So what some problems are there? One see children. Now seventh problem. Seventh problem. This is the seventh one. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Eighth one. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. See children. Seventh problem. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. Eighth problem. Minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. Now take seventh problem. So here, how many numbers are given children here? 3 numbers. 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. In this, the last 2 numbers are negative numbers. First number is positive. So plus into minus, minus. 9 3s are how much children? 27 into what is the remaining number here? Minus 6. So this is the negative number. This is also negative number. The product of 2 negative numbers is always positive. So that's why plus. Minus into minus plus. Now 27 6 are here. 27 6. 27 6. 6 7 are how much children? 42. 6 7 are how much? 42. 4 carry 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 27 6 are how much children? 162. 1 6 children. 6 7 are 42. 4 carry. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 16. So minus 27 into minus 6 answer 162. Now take 8th problem. Which problem children? 8th problem. What is that? Minus 18 minus 5 into minus 4. The three numbers are negative integers. Three numbers are negative. So see children, minus into minus plus 18 5 jar. 18 5 jar how much children? Here 18 into 5. 5 8 jar 40. 5 8 jar how much children? 40. 4 carry. So 5 1 jar 5. 5 plus 4 9. Once again 5 8 jar 40. 4 5 1 jar 5. 5 plus 4 9. So total 90. So this value 90. Which value? Minus 18 into minus 5, that is the plus 90 into minus 4. Now plus into minus, minus 4 9 are how much children? 4 9 are 36. Here 0 given. So 360. So 90 into 4, what is the value? Minus 360. Minus 360. This is the second bit of all problems. Next, third problem. See children, this is third problem. It is a word problem on see children. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade every hour. So what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So one room is there. At 40 degrees centigrade, the temperature will be decreased by how much degrees? 5 degrees per every hour. Per how much degrees? Decreased by every hour? 5 degrees centigrade. Here asking what will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins. See children, here what is the given information? At present, the room temperature. Present, the room temperature how much children? 40 degrees centigrade. Here 40 degrees centigrade given. At total decrease in temperature after 10 hours. Per every hour, how much degrees of temperature will be decreased children? 5 degrees. So here how many hours given? 10 hours. So the total decrease in temperature after 10 hours at the rate of 5 degrees centigrade hour. So 10 hours into each hour how many degrees will be decreased children? 5 degrees here. Every hour 5 degrees. So 10 into 5 degrees equal to how much children? 50 degrees. Here asking temperature after 10 hours. After 10 hours. So what is the present temperature? 40 degrees. After 10 hours, what is the temperature of the room? 50 degrees. So 40 degrees minus 50 degrees. What is the answer children? Minus 10 degrees. This is the minus 40 degrees minus 50 degrees centigrade equal to how much children? Minus 10 degrees centigrade. This is the third problem answer. Now we are going to take fourth problem. We are going to take fourth problem. The children, next fourth problem. In a class test containing 10 questions. How many questions are there in a class test? 10 questions children. So 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer. They wrote every correct answer, they get how many marks? 3 marks. And minus 1 mark is for every incorrect answer. But they wrote incorrect answer, they get how many marks? Minus 1. So and 0 for questions not attempted. If they are not attempted, they get how many marks? 0 marks. Once again, in a class test, how many questions are there? 10 questions. Every correct answer, they get how many marks? 3 marks. In every incorrect answer, they get -1 mark. If they did not attempt the questions, they get how many marks? 0 marks. In that first problem, Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. In this first problem, Gopi gets 5 correct answers, and 5 incorrect answers. Then finally, how many marks get the Gopi? Here asking, Gopi gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. Finally, they get how many marks? So, once each children answer, every correct answer they get 3 marks. Every incorrect answer they get -1 mark. Every not attempted question they get 0 marks. So, how many correct answers here? 5 correct answers. Here, Gopi's score equal to 5 correct answers, means 5 into 3 plus how many incorrect answers, children? 5 incorrect answers. That's why 5 into, what is the incorrect answer, children? -1. How many marks they get incorrect? -1. So 5 into 3 plus 5 into -1. 5 into -1. So 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into -1. See children, 5 3s are 15 plus 5 into -1. How much, children? -5 here, plus 15 plus into -5. So 15 minus 5, how much, children? 15 minus 5, 10 marks. So then finally Gopi score how much, children? 10 marks. Gopi score 10 marks. Next, second problem here. What is that? Rashma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. See children, second problem. Rashma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. Then finally, how many marks get the Rashma? Here, Rashma score